guys doing? Dex made some cards. Dex was working hard. Hella hard. I need to step up. We were trying to figure out some game flow stuff. A little bit of tricky business. Let me change the music. Where is it? Where's my music? Where is my musica? Musica. Actually, is there a Kingdom Hearts one in here? I don't mind me a little bit of Kingdom Hearts. Hold on. Boop, 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 boop. Give me 1 second. One. You're like a dream come true. All right. Let's see. Let's see if Click-A-Beats got anything. Nope. Nope. You do that. Okay. That's fine. Unless it's not fine. All right. Cool. Okay. So we had conversations about how we should do level ending. And right now we're currently sits when we're doing a level, you are kind of forced in this zoomed in screen. So the thing I'm kind of wondering is, do we stick to this? Or do we allow the player to not have to be zoomed in here? Should this be an optional kind of focus thing? That's one of it. This is like, this will, one or the other will completely change how the game feels, I think. And then this whole results page. Like we probably don't need the results thing here. It works well in the stage selection, showing like the different kind of stuff there is, but over here I'm not entirely sure. And then we have the cards on the side. So let me look up what we discussed. It's early in the morning. My memory is just not quite there. It's just not quite there, you know? All right. Let me see. These pictures are so goddamn cute. All right, I got 3 more I need to throw in here. I feel like I do want to reorder the cards. I feel like the special cards should probably be towards the back of the prizes. And then I did kind of like what A Little to the Left did though. Like the UI for finishing a stage was very, very minimal. Like, hold on, wait. They had a little thing that pops up. Let's open it up for a second. Let's do this. Hold on. Right. So when you're playing this, right? You're just going through the levels, right? I was at this one. And I'm not sure I know what to do here. Hey, do we just order by size? I don't know. That doesn't seem to be the answer. It's snapping into place there. Interesting. It's ordered by size. It's ordered by size. I can't do anything. What is this? Hold on. Okay. You can match these up? And that's probably not a coincidence, right? I actually don't know what to do. Cock learning in real time, right? You don't know what to. Oh, wait. I think I might know what to do. Okay. I think I know what to do. We figured it out. I have to line up the labels. There we go. Yep. And this ain't it, so let's go over. This one needs to go over here. Maybe? I don't know. I mean, those are matching up. Those are matching up. Yeah. Hold on. But what about the right side over there? What do we do about that? What about this one? Do we line that up there? Okay. Hold on. Cool. There we go. All right, so when you finish it, this whole thing pops up on the screen, but I like this thing down here. This right here is juice. All right, this is juice, and I like this. Pick a level, go to the next level, or retry. Though I don't think there should be a go to next level button. I think you should just have the retry or load the level button. I think that's kind of juice, right? Water. Uh-oh, I have no water. Hold on, I'll be right back. All right. Water. I drank some water. Welcome in, by the way. Boo doo 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 doo. Meow. Okay, this is a timeline, actually. This is a timeline. This is always number 1 with the cat. Okay? Jesus Christ, this cat is up to no good. This cat is up to no good. You see this? This cat's up to no good. This cat is up to no good. Troublemaker. Look at this. We need to kind of order, yeah? Meow. How you doing? By the way, I talked things out of the way. Things are good now. There was a bit of misunderstanding, but things are good now. You know? What is this? What is that? This one doesn't belong. The cat didn't destroy anything there, right? This is the vase exploding. We could always match up. That worked. Yeah, it always does, but it just sucks that it has to happen, you know? That's a fridge handle. This is a fridge. Oh shit, this is a fridge? Oh. It's a fridge. It's a fridge, you say? I couldn't tell. I'll tell you that. I could not tell. Wait. I feel like I'm dumb right now, so you'll have to excuse me. You'll have to excuse me. Maybe... Okay. So this will be the last one. This will be the middle. This will be over here. This will be there. No? 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 I don't know. Look at the actions, not the specified objects. Yeah, I guess this one. There we go. It's just... It's like a time lapse over different objects and different things blowing up, I guess. Which, I guess we're categorizing. I like this, though. This is cool. But instead of this, right? So if we pressed... If I had like a little button that came up like this. So the first time you click on the thing, it'll open up the menu to zoom into to pick a level. So open up the level menu, which we have here. And then when you start a level, zoom in. And then at the bottom, should you do at the bottom? A thing that pops up at the bottom? Like this? It could pop up. Where's the menu when you start a stage? I want to see what this feels like. Hold on. Nitty gritty. So if I'm in the level, is there any way to exit besides pressing escape? No, it seems not. Or I could right click. Okay. So it seems not. You want to... I think the way they did this might be all right actually. Little menu that pops up in the bottom. I wanna try doing this instead. And then what we could do is we could have like a little menu on the side maybe that pops up for when you're in the room view to claim prizes. Or maybe you could do it while zoomed in. I don't think it should matter. Or maybe it could be something that sits on the desk, you know? Or maybe you can unlock. So we have like different things to approach, right? So we unlocked. Say you get a card, you unlock the design for a card. You click the printer, you could print the design. You could print the design. And then it'll be in your collection. And you have to use like resources to print stuff. So printing could be like it'll take ink. So you need to collect ink or purchase ink from the store. But then that's like using a currency to make another currency, which also doesn't feel good. So maybe it could be something a little simpler. Boom, boom, boom. Drink water. Okay, cool. So let's leave it simple for now. We'll just have a button where you receive prizes and then you just claim them. There'll be like a little picture of a little outline of a card that just kind of floats up and disappears with a question mark on it, maybe. And then that'll just be like card obtained. And then there'll be a little basket or something on the side that'll just like have a number on it and just be like, all right, click to redeem. And then you'll get like a little cutscene with all the cards that you're obtained. I think that'd be cool. Let's do that. Let's do that. And then it would be like a card reveal screen. What now? Yeah, I think that'll be fine. And then for the levels, let's do it so that when you go into a level, so you can just how do we make it obvious that you click on the canvas? Because it's not exactly obvious to click the canvas. So we'll need some kind of way of letting the player know to click here. I mean, in the beginning, there would be an introductory thing, of course, but always good to just leave something there. Also, for time attack mode, I want to have like a little clock, like a little alarm clock thingy that we can put the numbers in. That starts off in the center of the screen and then just kind of pans up to the top left, and then you'll know that you're in time attack. It'll be a lot more obvious. Yeah, okay, and then the stage end, it'll be a little menu that pops up. Cool. Let's do that. I'm gonna do the little menu at the end. Let's do bottom menu. Your overlay. Oh, let me do Dex's new cards, by the way. Let's get a few new cards. We have the balloon. I think I did the balloon. Okay. We got a cat. This one's really good. A Robin Hood. A Robin Hood. Did I do... Okay, I did these. Balloon. Do I have balloon in here? No. No. Okay. You're knocking these out so goddamn quickly, though. Let me open up my spreadsheet. Click-A-Bao all buttons. Here we go. Yeah, I definitely need to change some numbers up because this ain't gonna cut it. I feel like the special ones deserve their own kind of place towards the back to be all special and rare. So maybe I'll just do like this. Hold on. Bunzilla, Bun Brew, SpongeBob, Rainbow, James Bund. I'm also wondering, does it make sense to make different rarities different numbers, or does it make more sense to just like replace the lower rarity ones with the higher rarity ones? Or just like, I don't know, when you click on it, it'll give you the options to pick which one you want to pick, and it'll always display the highest rarity. Maybe that would make the most sense. Because I feel like doing this all different by number is a little bit rough. How many of you made? You made like 20, right? You didn't know what to call the cat? That's fine. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Made 21. God damn. God damn. A goddamn. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, so we have Rainbow. Balloon. 15. Balloon. You said Balloon is sour, I think. Oh man, there were lemons in the back, I think. I remember. I saw cute little lemons in the back. Drink water. He's trying to turn me into a fish. I will not become a fish. You'll be a fish. Okay. To the sky. Floaty things. Alright, cool. Boo, boo, boo. Balloon, cat. Alright. Flower. There we go. Cat bun. let's can we do like meow bow. Bow meow. Paw bow, paw bun, paw. Nah. Meow mix, bun mix. Meow 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 meow. Yeah, the card is a little the cat one is a little bit hard to name. Ivy, name the cat bun now. Name it. Name it. Name it. Name it. Meow. Fur bun. Like a fur ball. A little fur bun. I like it. And actually, hair bun. No, I think fur bun actually kind of works. You thought Meow Bao was good? You think so? All right. Meow Bao or fur bun? It could be a little fur bun or a little Meow Bao. Nyan bun. Nyan. Meow 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 meow. Oh my god, it just reminded me of the Nyan cat. Little rainbow behind it. I don't know why this reference just came to me. Mao Bao. Mao. Mao Bao. Meow. Meow. Hey, cats make some ridiculous noises sometimes. Meow. Meow. Meow Bao. Oh, I think we'll just stick to Meow Bao. Meow Bao. What are you, Meow Bao? Alright. Meatball. Alright, listen. I get that you might be hungry, but you're not supposed to eat this one, okay? It's too cute. Wait, Dex, what is this one? Savory? No, it's bitter, right? It's bitter? I'm gonna guess that this one's bitter. Is it bitter? The colors are telling me bitter. Let me look. Boom, 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 boom. Bloom, 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 bloom. Actually, don't know. What would this one be? Bitter, right? Okay, cool. I mean, it was purple, so like I was guessing bitter. Just wasn't 100% sure. Common. To the sky. Meow. Cool floaty things. This thing got no power. Not much speed. I'm sure this one will be more about the skills. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Meow bow meow. Speed. I mean, cats are kind of quick. I don't know. Meow bow. Gonna be a pretty good one. This one is the bun flower. 17. Bun flour. And bun flour is... I don't know. Savory or sour? And we have Robin Hood. Robin Hood. Robin Hood. Savory, okay, good. Savory was the first thing that came to mind, so. Also savory. Cool. If I can guess the flavor, then that means it's probably matching up to like what you were trying to do. Savory was the first thing that came to mind though when I looked at that. Meow. All right, let's do Robin Hood. For these, let's do like I don't know, Sailor Bun. How many do we want to be character cameos? Because we've got quite some character cameos. Plants vs. Balbies. I've never actually played the Plants vs. Zombies game. Nor do I plan on doing it. We got a lot of cameos in here. Damn, though, you did a lot of these. I'm gonna go do. Maybe I'll just leave this as like, do I handle spaces in here? Does this? No, it doesn't select. Okay. Never mind. Let's do, okay, so Meow Bao, Mao. And then bun flour. What should be some flavor text for the flour? What should be some flavor text? What was that? Did I just see like a drop down for this? That was kind of cool. That was kind of cool. I don't know what that was. That was kind of cool. What? Help keep your data structured by setting column types to dates, people to chips, drop downs, and more. Create custom views. Oh shit. Personalize it, makes your table stand out with custom name and temp. Oh shit, that's cool. Hello? That's pretty cool. That's actually really cool. Stop. Let me put these in here. I'm not gonna lie, that was actually really cool. That was really cool. Okay. Sure, why not? Is this gonna be difficult? Probably not. It's not really, it's just formatting it slightly differently. Alright. So this will be I do wanna alternating lines. Yes. How do you do like different color alternating lines? Just so I can Table formatting. Show alternating colors. It's already on. Show table grid lines. Oh, there we go. You want a different color? Yeah. Yeah. As alternating colors to change the colors. Yeah, that's what I'm guessing. I just trying to figure out where I changed the colors. Oh, color 1, color 2. There we go. There it is. That's what I was trying to find. Darker gray. Okay. Beautiful. There we go. Now I'm looking at a table. Now we're looking at a table. Yeah, that's not anything I'm used to. Meow. Bunflower flavor text. What do we put for flavor text on this one? You aren't a data analyst, and it shows. Well, caught red-handed. God damn it! I've been caught. Absolutely not a data analyst. What can I say? What can we do for this one? I feel like I don't have a good flavor text for this one. I bet you never analed any data. Actually, I've analed a lot of data before. It's just not often I have to do that one part. But I've analed a lot of data. Oh, so much data. So much data. They look so happy, you know? All sunshine and rainbows. Meow-bao. Quick-paw. Bunflower. Painting buff. Time for me to be productive too. There you go. Double productivity. Go. Double productivity. Engage. Bumbosa, James Bund, Sailor Bun. And we could do. Yeah, I don't know how many we're gonna have here. We're planning to have, I think it was 50 total. I should probably not have it go above 50. Sailor Bun could be 50 actually. I think that's appropriate. Whoa, what just happened? What just what Ezra, holy shit. Thank you for the raid, greatly appreciated. You're catching us in the middle of doing something naughty, which is Excel as a database. All right. We absolutely wrote a parser for Excel stuffs. 49, 48. What we guys up to? What we working on? Whoa, strawberry folks upon thee. That's right. Naughty, naughty. Not naughty whatsoever. What are you talking about? This is the stuff of dreams, okay? Here, watch. You're about to see it in action, all right? Are you ready to see it in action? Wait, do we have all the stuff? We have... Oh, we forgot to put Robin Hood here. We're making... This is like our database for cards. Watch, check this out. It's gonna be cool. I'm gonna add Robin Hood here. Let's insert one row above. Boop. 47. Finishing the demo release of the game. Oh shit. Yeah, feel free, yeah. Focus on ironing out narrative. Yeah, I remember you were doing like a narrative engine thingy. We were just analyzing some data, that's it. Analyzing it. We're analyzing all the data. Alright? All of it. I think Robin Hood is supposed to be savory. I want to start putting like all these other stuff on it. Flavor text. No wealthy. No unharmed. I don't. I'm just gonna put some random shit here for now. Pokes. All right. So Robin Hood 5, 7. I'm gonna just give these good stats. Here we go. Boop boop. Copy and paste. Bun text. Card. Card. DXE. Boom. All right. Boom boom boom. All right. There we go. Heading out though. Well, thanks for the raid. Greatly appreciated. Greatly appreciated. We're about to show the thing right here. I think I copied and pasted these in here. In case I didn't. Here we go. Boom, boom. And now we should have a bunch of new cards. So let's... There it is. Look at them. The ones that just added are right at the end. Oh, Meow-Bao is missing. Okay. Oh, right, because the name. Okay, let's see. Robin Hood. Oh, yeah, the other ones are off the end. You can't see them. There's supposed to be a cap on this anyway, so. Sailor Bun. Bumbosa. James Bund. Robin Hood. They're all buns. They're all bringing buns. It's great. We got quite the collection here. Let me fix Meow-Bao. I'm gonna fix Meow-Bao. Hold on. Meow-Bao. I'm gonna have to change the music. Hold on. This music isn't doing it for me. I'm sorry. It's not doing it. It's not doing it. Let's do some FF10. I like the bun puns. These are some punny buns. They're all punny. Cat. Let me see if it fixes it. Cat bun. All right. We call this one Meow-Bao. So the way this works is actually relatively simple. So these pictures are automatically looked up based on the name. They just need to match the name of the thing that we give, which is pretty cool. Meow-Bao now has a card. Cool. Yeah, and the interesting thing is, like, this is Excel's database, but this is like all the information I'll need to put into it. Like, it has the stats of the cards and then the skills that they have, which I'm gonna have to define at some point. I didn't actually make any of these skills do anything yet. They're literally just text, but it'll be like a text lookup kind of thing. Water! God damn you, watering me again. Well, thank you for watering the streamer. Greatly appreciated. Trying to turn me into a mermaid over here. Or merman, maybe. But I could be a mermaid if you want me to be. And then we come over to the... Where is it? Over here. We start it up, we load up the spreadsheet, we just parse it really. It's just tab delimited, get rid of the empty lines and whatever is starting with a comment. Boom boom. Parse all the skills, parse the other stuff, plug it into a card instance. Bam, you're ready. You're ready. Boom 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 boom. Yeah, so it just keeps all the data in there. It's not actually loading any images or anything, but it has a reference to where the image is. I don't think I'm loading anything. Wait, hold on. Let me double check. Image path. Yeah, we're just loading paths. So like this is just like data saying, all right, you could just go over there and, you know, do the thing. Pass it into the card, it loads it up, and then bam, it does all the stuff. That's pretty cool. It works nicely, actually. So maybe a little naughty to use Excel as a database, but I feel like it's working out pretty nicely. And the thing that we're using the helpers for is a little hidden object game. Boom, boom. They help you find all the stuff. You also get interferences. And this one is a little abductor. It takes your helpers away. You can click it, blow it up. It'll drop them, let them go back to doing what they're doing, and these are back on the field. But yeah, we're planning to do a lot of little interference stuff, and we'll have like 3 different pictures. I only have one implemented currently, but then it'll be like a time attack challenge. Just find 20 challenge. They all get rotated, so it's a little different every time. Like I think last time there was an ice cream bun here, but now it's not there anymore. It's different stuff. So they do get rotated. It's like a hidden object game that's kind of replayable, and then you just collect a bunch of cards and do a lot of stuff. But yes, that is the thing. That is the thing. Feel free to wishlist if you're interested. We don't have a lot of the card stuff up there on the store page yet because it's kind of like something recent that we've been working through. Let's look at Ezra's thing. Oh, that's right. I remember Ezra had I think I played the demo last time, or I'm pretty sure I played a demo. It was on Itch, I think. Water. You drink the water and got no. I feel like I'm turning into a fish already. I remember playing this one. It was like I remember it being like an incremental roguelike kind of game. Maybe not incremental, it was like roguelike. I remember that a little bit. That's cool. Feel free to check it out. If you guys, you posted it in the chat, so feel free to check it out. You know? Thank you for the follow, greatly appreciated. Thank you very much. What we're currently also trying to figure out is like flow, right? So right now, when you click on a picture, like you get zoomed in here, but then you can't do like stuff around the room while you're zoomed in, which maybe is not great. So we're trying to figure out a way to circumvent that. Maybe there's just, you know, you have some, we had a button before to go back. Maybe I need to introduce it again. Maybe we need to get rid of the stage end screen and just have a different way to claim prizes that you get from the stages. Because like, I think at the end of the day, you're just trying to get all the cards, right? Great, my thing is stuck here. The thing is bugged. All right, it's fine. But yeah, we have other stuff too. Like you could decorate the room. Like I have it set like this right now, but like you could change the background. You could change all this stuff in here. I still haven't implemented any of the book stuff, you know? You can take pictures off the wall, you can put them on the wall. I feel like it all works out really well. But yeah. It's everything in the room is pretty much customizable. Which is kind of cool. It's kind of cool. It was fun building out the system actually. Took a little bit to get it all in order, but we got it now. So I'm gonna put myself back at the beach though. I like being at the beach. The beach gives me good vibes, you know? We also have the shop where you buy all the furniture and stuff. This is what we were doing previously before we did cards too. Over here, we had the this little menu. You could purchase the buns. You speed it up too, but I keep getting the same one over and over again. There we go. Yeah, so we had like different ones that you can get, but we're doing cards now. Like before, we just had you open a basket, you get a bun. But we might bring the basket back. We'll see. For card reveals. But yeah, we need to figure out now the way to make this flow kind of work out over here, because it's a little painful, you know. It'd be nice to let them run in the background while you're just doing stuff around the room or in the shop. You could just kind of idle and let the hidden object game play itself, which is kind of funny. Depending on the stage. Maybe some stages will be a little harder to play by itself, you know. But yeah. Still need to do day-night cycles too, because we have a clock with time moving. There's other things on the roadmap, but I was gonna probably do a menu right now for that. So let me do that. UI. So let's make like a new folder, and this one's gonna be menu. Stage. Submenu, I guess. Make a little control. Stage, submenu. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. Attach a little script here. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm probably gonna make just a little bar on the bottom, just like a little to the left does. I'm thinking that that'll probably work fine. Just we'll do a panel container. Panel container. Okay. Center on the bottom. Boop. All right. And then this will be a child node. We'll do it a hbox container. Add a button. This one will be home, I guess. I'm just gonna label it like this for now. We can put little icons here that make sense later. Home button. Yummy! Yummy? You talking about me? That's true. I might be a little bit yummy. Stage button. Oh no! Pick. Stage. Boop, boop. I am become fish. I am become fish. Drink the water. Drink the water. And then I could put like a little auto retry thing here, which will be fine. I'm just gonna do these two for now. Home, pick stage. So that's what we're gonna do. Boom, boom, boom. And I think this menu will only pop up if you're in the other thing, maybe? I don't know. Or maybe not. Maybe it could just always be active. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Mm-mm. Okay, so panel container. Button panel. Let's name this one. Boom. These two. Access as unique name. Go to the script. Bing bang boozle. Auto load. Pop them in there. There we go. And this is stage sub menu. Maple, Maggie, how you doing? You haven't seen the new cards, have you? How things going? We gotta show you the new cards. We've gotta show you the new cards. What? That was probably the previous redeem. I drank again anyway, just because I'm a Giga Chad. All right, we drank water twice, being only redeemed once. Where do you ever see this, huh? All the streamers only drink when requested. I just drank when I wasn't requested. How does that feel? How does that feel? Holy shit. We got a Shadow Mage win? Insane. That's the first one, I think. Alright, here. Check it out. Check it out. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 doo, 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 doo. Look at the collection. We got the beautiful collection. They're so pretty and beautiful and wonderful. All them buns. Right. Absolutely not going extinct, you know? Not the bees. You can't, I just realized you can't see the flavor on the bottom of these when they go up. It's fine. Look at the cat bun. Meow. And also, we have a special treat in the back. Robin Hood, James Bond, Bumbosa, Sailor Bun. Fighting evil by Bun Light. Yeah, anyway, I thought they came out real well, though. Like, these are so good. Dex did a bang-up job. Like, holy shit. Look at all these buns. You see this? Insane. I think within a few days, like, Dex just knocks out all these. Absolutely insane. The bouse. Like a bouse. Like a bouse. My client wanted me to implement notification on the admin CRM page. Since it's one-way communication, I will use server sent agent simpler than WebSocket. Are you talking about for the arena? Yeah, I mean, like, not everything needs to be done through sockets. Not arena have clients too. Oh yeah. As in people clients, or gotta make that money, all right? Make that money. I believe in you. You make that money. Unless you're talking about server clients. Then you serve them. Let me make this shrink down. We don't need this or this. So let's do button panel. Or actually, no, I need the ready. I'm sorry. Come back to me ready, please. Please. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Text Team Coco 1,000 times. Only? Holy shit, I went flying. We got knocked to the stratosphere. Absolutely knocked to the stratosphere. We'll never look back. We'll always remember. Well, I'm sorry, okay? Throw pass in there, okay? Let me just see how it looks so far. Alright, there we are. We have that there. We have that there. There. Right there. I like it how you look at right there. FX Music's reminded me of something a friend sent me earlier. I can't stop laughing. What did they send you earlier? Now I'm curious. We must know. You gotta share with the rest of class. Alright. Boom. Send it to you? Alright, let's see. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god. Samsung 40-inch 4K television with Titus from FX laughing burnt into the screen. How does that even happen? Did the TV just like get shot and then just like print that onto the screen and now it's just donezo? So donezo. No idea, but it's beautiful. You should buy it. You should buy it. Buy it. This is like a rare TV edition. Rare Final Fantasy X edition TV. Unique. The only one exists in the world. Millions of dollars. Millions. It sells for millions. It'll sell for millions. It's exclusive. So what I want to do, I want to make this thing come up when you hover over it. And when you don't hover over it, it'll go back down. So when you... So what can we do? What do the buttons look like? Hold on. Home button. What does the scale look like? I could probably just scale it down, yeah? Well, not in here, right? We'd have to do the offset transform. Scale 0. Not visual only. And actually, I don't want to do the X and the Y. I just want to do the Y. I like how it's just erroring out. Let's do layout, offset transform. Boop. Boop. I probably don't need to do it this way, but I'm just going to do it this way anyway. Because why not? My old laptop nearly had F14 UI burned into the screen. Painfully be there for a couple hours after I stopped playing. God damn. That means you've been playing a lot. I almost pushed to production branch. Almost pushed to production. That's fine. Push. Push it. Push it. It's ready. It's so ready. You do the thing. Gotta head to bed. Have a good one. Good night, everyone. All right. See you later. Have a good rest of your night. Thank you for joining in. Appreciate the follow. I'll see you later. Just like slowly working on this menu. I want to make this thing shrink down now. I want to make this thing shrink down and then have it grow. Grow. I was about to make a dirty joke. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna hold back, all right? I'm gonna hold back. We're gonna hold back here. You can't do it. You just can't, all right? You gotta hold back. You gotta hold strong. Till the break of dawn. Okay, what I'm gonna do is the position. 35. Okay. 30. Okay. Actually, I think I'm not gonna use offsets for this. I don't think it's gonna benefit me here. Or, you know, maybe it does. I don't know. I do over 23,000 hours in it though. Holy shit, that's a lot of hours. To be fair, I probably have a lot of hours in League of Legends, but I don't know if they keep track of that for you. Or they probably do keep track of that, but they just don't let you know what it is. Is there a way to know how many hours of League of Legends I played? Manually estimate. Yeah, there is a website that can check, that can do it for you. How much time did I waste on LOL? Oh my god, they have a thing. They have a website that does it for you. Look at this. They have a thing. So go ahead and try it out. WOL.gg. What was my gamer tag again? I don't even remember, man. It's not even finding my, it's not finding my gamer tag. Whatever. Now you have to check. Sharing is caring. Let us know how long you played for. The results may surprise you. Wikipedia is sinking funding now? Uh-oh. That's not good. Bum 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 boom. Ooh. I think I can use the offset transform actually. Bum 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 bum. So let's just, I'm gonna simulate this, okay? So if I go here, it should bounce up. Boom. All right, let's do that. So let's do, hold on. Funk should, on hover, let's do, boop. So button panel dot, let's make a tween, var tween, create tween. Guys, I'm kind of hungry. I'm struggling. Are you gonna fund Wikipedia? Go ahead and fund Wikipedia. They're waiting for you. They're waiting for you to fund them. Let's do tween property. This will be button panel dot, oh thank god, 829 hours only? How about World of Warcraft? How about World of Warcraft? I'm gonna look up my friend actually. I'm gonna look up my friend. It keeps saying requested region is unavailable. Like, this is not working for me. Check league hours. Hold on. There's a different website called Law Value. Let me see. Invalid riot ID. Oh. How do I find my riot ID? What the hell? You need the tag. It was working. So you added NA1 on it. Oh, shit. I see. I mean, they're asking for you to... That's weird. Okay. Okay, so my friend has 1351 hours. In the same time, you could have watched 270 animes, done 1,801 workouts, learned 2.7 languages. This one really rubs the salt in the wounds. Let me. I'm gonna see if I can find my other one now. Hold on. Oh my god. I only have 500 hours. 500 hours. I thought I would have a lot more. Really? Only 500 hours? I'm actually kind of disappointed. I thought I definitely cleared 1,000 easy on that one. And the funny thing is, like, I didn't even play on this account the whole time. Like, I had a friend that was playing on it too, because like I stopped playing, but he wanted a different account too, so I just gave him mine. It started from when you actually started playing. It says overall. And it says since 2023 is 43 hours, which I haven't played in 2023, so like that was probably the friend that I gave the account to. It doesn't start until like until 2018. Okay. If that's the case, then I have way more hours. Veteran league player, maybe. I played quite a bit. Oh, this other site has 935 hours. $935 hours? That's pretty big. I could have read 154 books in that time. Or watched 535 movies, you know? Or walked 3,742 kilometers. You need to start a site that starts from the Yield League days? Yeah, I think I need one too. Because that's not exactly doing it right. Position. And then we could do the final value is negative of button panel dot what is the offset transform position. There we go. And then we'll just do like 0.2, try to keep it snappy, maybe 0.3. Transition type, let's see, set transition could be tween dot transition type dot, let's do, I do want to do like, I want to do a bounce dot set ease I want it to slow down at the end. So that'll be queen dot ease type dot even. Ease out. There we go. That should do it. I think, and the buttons don't need to actually shrink down. I'm just not gonna do anything with the buttons. Like, this is dumb. Don't do this. Just don't do it. All right. Bum 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 bum. All right. Let's do that. Reset. 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 Bum, 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 bum. Button panel that mouse entered. Dot connect on hover. Okay. Do the same thing. Mouse exited. Mouse exit. On hover. Exit, I guess. I don't know. Hover exit. If I could spell exit, that'd be awesome. Position is gonna be probably 0. Okay, let's just see if this works. What is this tween for this? That's okay. Well, that's not where I wanted it to go, but it did go. Button panel. This also doesn't need this clean transition. Quad. Ease in. There we go. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I played me a lot of Pantheon. A lot of Pantheon. Okay. A lot of Pantheon. Position minus this, I guess. And then this would be position plus button. This is really bad, by the way. Button panel dot offset transform position. I'm just gonna see if this works for now. Why is it going up there? Hello? 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 Hey, listen. Hey, listen. Where are you? Button panel. What's your position? What is your major position? Your position is that. Okay. When I do this, this is absolutely not what I want to do. I'm a support main, mostly Soraka, Lux, Lulu though. I used to play a lot of Leona and Tarek as well. I also cosplay Dryad Soraka several years back. Cool. The only support I would ever play is Tom Kench, and I played him tough. He was a menace. I think my Tom Kench top was actually unbeatable. He was such a broken champion. I was the top laner, so I was the toxic guy up top. Tom is so broken, don't worry. Because I remember I'd be up top and he did percent-based damage, which was ridiculous. So if you just attack, cancel into a lick, and then it's attack again, hit them one more time, they're pretty much almost dead already. It was so dumb. It was so dumb the amount of damage he did. So dumb. Then you bite them, You throw them against a wall behind you, and then you just do it all again. It was so broken. You played Pantheon support too? I played Pantheon support as well. What I liked doing was doing Shaco support, and then I would just build magic, so his boxes just do hella damage. It was great. Max cooldown reduction and just get magic damage. It was so fun. Or Teemo support, just have mushrooms everywhere. And just like chill. Just be invisible. Get to lane at a certain time, go invisible in the bush, and get ready for the ambush. Friggin' Teemo though. Friggin' Teemo. Okay, so this is absolutely screwing my position. Offset transform. Position minus offset transform position. Which is... Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be like... Offset transform. Position... I'm just gonna set this one instead. This one's gonna be 0. And then this one's gonna be vector 2 0 was it 30 or 300? Oh, these are big differences. 30, okay. Offset transform position. Perfect. Why is this not working? Unhover mismatch between vector 2 and int. Vector 2. Oh, am I just dumb? A 0. I could just be dumb. That's also the case. Alright, this doesn't work when I'm hovering the buttons. God damn it, just can you work? Oh my god. Oh my god. Imagine working. Alright. I moved this whole thing down. Okay, I'm just kind of dumb. I messed up. I did this whole stage sub-menu. I moved the wrong thing. That's why it's not working. That's why nothing has been working. It's because of this. Okay. That makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. That makes so much sense. Doom, doom, doom. Ba-no-no. And pivot, let's do... Not pivot, stop. 30, okay. There we go. There we go. Now it's finally working. Cool. Imagine that. Imagine having a working submenu. Where'd the music go? Don't you dare ask me if I'm still watching YouTube. I love unconventional stuff. People are so serious for no reason. Yeah, I used to play with people and he's like, man, why are you doing this again? He's like, you're just gonna throw the game. On the rare occasion that it works out, it is awesome, right? On the rare occasion that does indeed work out, it is the best thing ever. You got the librarian book sorting? Oh no. You did it. You got the game. Coco was shitting all over it. And now Dex like, you know what? Just to rub the salt in the wounds, I'm gonna buy it and show it off. I was shitting all over it again. I was like, why the hell would you do this? Just clean your house. Just clean your goddamn house. If my wife caught me playing that game, she'd be furious. She's like, you don't even clean up home. You better stop playing that bullshit game and clean up the house then. If you're gonna be playing, if you have time to be cleaning up a virtual house. Cleaning a game is more fun than actually cleaning. Coco would not be found anymore, I'll tell you. Coco would be missing. Like, what you playing? Yeah, I'm cleaning this library. It's not cleaning, it's organizing. That's even better. We need a lot of organizing in this house. Who wants to come here and organize for me? We have a lot of books that need some organizing. All the kid books are all out of order, all right? They need to be sorted by size. all the different series of books that are just kind of all over the place. They could be organized to all match the same series next to each other, okay? I actually would not even joke again. I love organizing stuff. I kind of do, though, too, to be honest. I like when I'm organizing the stuff, I don't actually mind doing it. I just don't like doing it like if I have free time to do other stuff, you know? But if I have to do it, it's not the worst. Oh. Okay. Damn. That was a big yawn. That was a big yawn. Boom, boom, boom. I could just do a margin container, actually, man. I don't know what I'm doing. What am I doing? Just put a margin container here, slap this bad boy in the margin container. I just throw some margins on here. And we're good. Left. 10. 10. 10. 10. Slap some on this H-box container. No, this would be the panel. Yeah, just make it rounded borders. I swear to God, just round all your borders and everything just feels so much better. It just feels so much better, you know? Button panel. Boom, boom. Disabled. Home button, stage button. Home button. That enabled. Disabled equals false. Stage button that disabled equals false. Just copy these over. Boom. Let's do true. True. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. I also need to make it so that when you hover over these, it passes the toggle mode, button press, action mode. You need the filters. The mouse filters, the filters that do the filter thing, and we don't stop, we pass up, we propagate up, and then we just go like this, and they're active, and we like it, and it feels kind of good, and there we go. We may be the same person. We may actually be the same person. You both do art as well. You both do art. There we go. And then we got the menu. And there it is. Let's see how it looks in the room. Okay, cool. So I can lower it down a little bit. So this margin top can actually, the margin boo, okay? We have margin boo over here, margin bottom. Stop. So this H-box container should hug the bottom. Let's make it hug the bottom. Hug the bottom, all right? That way, if we put more margin here, it should go. Stop! Can you not? If I put more bottom, why is it growing up? Can you grow down? It's growing the exact opposite direction I want it to grow. Water. Thank you. My dream of being a fish is almost complete. We are almost there. Boom, 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 boom. So maybe I'll just do this, yeah? We got a back-to-back water? Are you watering me twice? You think I'm a thirsty plant? Well, maybe a little bit. You're gonna make me pee. You're gonna make me do the thing. Alright, let's set this. Margin container is gonna be what do we do here? What do we do here, you know? What do we do? I think I like the margin container being like this. And then I'll just shrink it, make it go up and do the thing, you know, it'll do the thing. It'll do the thing. You know, it'll do the thing. Because we gotta make it feel good. It needs to feel good. So when it's like this, what I'm gonna make it do is go from we have layout, offset, transform, that's fine. Slide you down. Just do like this, that's fine. 80, 82. No, 82. Okay, here we go. And this could just be position, really. Is offset transform position minus offset transform position, and then this position could be vector 2.0. Boom, boom. And then let me just see if that brings it up. Nope. So that's doing the other thing that was kind of weird, which I don't really understand because the offset transform position okay, fine. Export bar offset position as a vector 2, which equals vector, I don't know. Boom, 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 82. 82. Okay. There it is. So now we can do 0. Offset transform position, vector 2.0. And then this one could be offset position. There it is. Then we have to shrink down the margin. Whoa. Whoa, where'd you go? Oh, I knew that. Offset transfer position. Okay. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I know what the issue is too, actually. The issue is that I could use 0 as a position. It's just I'm doing some stupid shit where this is not in a child container, and that's why. So if I just did this, assign this one to be the bottom of the screen, then I could actually just use the position here. And then this should just work with with just positions. I shouldn't have to save any bullshit. But it probably is good to do this. So what I'm gonna have to do is gonna be var hover tween. I'm just gonna save this one. Water. One step closer to fish, one step away from man. The streamer that turned into a fish live on stream. Screw being a bun. We're gonna be a fish. We're gonna be a goddamn fish. 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 You like fish sticks?
Hi, Herbert.
Oh my god. Do you like fish sticks? That was a freaking South Park episode. How you doing, by the way, Fudgy? It's so stupid. The fish stick thing. Oh my god. It's like, it's one of those things that is just so dumb, but it just makes you laugh anyway because it's just so dumb. How you doing though, Fudge? How's it been? How are things swinging? Tired but okay? You working hard? all the cats come together. All the cats are coming together and partying one at a time. They're doing all the things. I appreciate the bits, by the way. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. So drank the water. My cup is actually getting empty. Holy shit. One more and my cup will be empty. How you doing? We're doing good. We were actually working on a lot of card stuff, and it's come quite far, I gotta say. It's come. You want to see the cards? The cards are so pretty and cool and awesome and wonderful. And all right, give me 1 second. Offset position. Let me just do position is going to be offset position minus offset position. Position is going to be position. So if you hover position, offset position, it'll be position minus offset transfer position, and then this one will be position is vector 2 0. This is what I wanted to do from the beginning. There we go. There we go. And then this one should just be E2. Okay. So this should just fix it. And never mind. So it yeeted its ass off the screen. Water. God damn it. Okay, I finished my water. The smaller screen doesn't do it any justice. Let me do the bigger screen. Full screen. All right, here we go. Here we go. You ready? You ready? Are you ready? Ooh. Look at the little buns. They're so cute. We have Bunja, Bunking, Bunny, Pirate, Robo-Bao, Magician, Bean, Bunzilla, Bunbrew, SpongeBob, Rainbow, Bowloon, Meow Bow, Bunflower. And then, but wait, there's more. The character theme, buns, There they are. Robin Hood, James Bond, Bumbosa, Sailor Bun. Fighting evil by Bun Light. It's so good. It is so good. These are great. Okay? These are amazing. I need a little Sailor Bun in my life, right? She even got like the sparkly eyes and everything. It's so good. I need a tattoo of that. There it is. I'm a bum bun. A Sailor Bun tattoo on your bun. They came out really well though. Dex did a hell of a job. Holy shit. Holy shit. If hover tween. Dot kill. Do the same thing down here. Boom. Lead around word, and then we'll just do hover tween. Yeah. Okay, lead around word. Boom, boom, boom. A boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's 10 up. A boom, 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 boom. Hover tween. 10 up. Same issue. Boom, boom. Okay. We're working so hard on this. Yeah, we're working hard. Working real hard. Water. Oh no. All right, be right back. Let me get more water. All right, we're back. Got a little water. All right. Let's make this thing work. The sub menu. It's yeeting its ass off the screen. That's because I'm doing this like an idiot. I got to do negative transform position. There we go. Whoa. Position is negative offset transform position, right? Why is that going down? It should be going up. I negated it. Hello? You dared make me drink more water. Okay. That's more water gone down the hatch. Position is 0. 0. 0. Oh wait, this could be stage sub menu. Let me check. Oh, is this why? Hold on. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Okay, does it work now? No. We're like almost there. We're almost there. Water is good. Water is life. Yes. It is indeed. All right, let me change it to that one. Playlist at end. Not the best. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. So this position is over there. So my issue is that this panel so I shouldn't be changing. So this is what it looks like when it's at 0. But if I do it here in the middle, it's over there. Boom, boom, boom. Center top, center bottom. I want it to go between these 2 points. Kind of, but not really. Like, I feel like this offset transform gave me some new stuff to work with, but also like stuff a little difficult, I guess. I could just stop being an idiot though, probably. That would probably help, you know? Did you just turn me into a bow from being a bow? How dare you? Did you just turn me into what I am already? Now I refuse to be a bow. You dare keep me this way? Boom. Oh, wait. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set the position, not size, position. Okay, -20. I'm just gonna set 2 positions. That's what I'm gonna do. I am Meow Bao. What happened to my voice? I'm drinking all this water and I'm still like, my voice is still deciding to just check out for a second. The water has been drunketh. All right, -20, 124. Bar, hover, start, pose. Let's do export bar, hover, start, pose is gonna be. Actually, this doesn't need to be that. Hover, end pose. Okay, so these are, I'm just gonna do vector 2. Okay. I don't need to set these in here. Let's just set these over here. Okay. Bum bum bum. Redo also made me drink. You guys are watering me up too much, all right? We're gonna have problems. We're gonna have major, major problems. You can't keep doing this. You can't. It is illegal. It is illegal. You all stop that. Oh, that's right. My singing is probably off because my headphones are slightly behind. Slightly behind. Where the music is. God damn it. Unwater. No.
Unwater thyself.
He said that so aggressively. You need to chill, okay? You need to chill. Copy value. You need to chill. Oh, okay, actually. I don't need the start position. I only need the end position. Because I'll just move this one. Okay, that's fine. We're good. We'll move this one. This one will be
Fluid intake recommended.
your face is recommended. No. Boom. Okay, cool. Button panel. So we'll do this. Minus 90 for the offset transform. Hover offset. Okay, cool. Oof, excuse me. Excuse me. Vector 2, 0, negative 90. Equals hover offset. Offset transform, we'll do it again. Offset transform position, let's say it'll be vector 2.0. Okay, water. God damn it. Why you guys make me drink so much, huh? We're becoming one with the ocean now. There we go. Now we gotta shrink the margins. Shrink the margins. The margins. That set parallel. True. A true. Whoops. Set parallel. Parallel. True. Okay. And then I'm going to do a second tween, which is hover tween. No, it's not. Hover tween. That we had a margin container here where we gotta, we gotta do this thing with the margin container. Make it dance the dance of life. Unready var margin container equals margin container, which I don't know why it's not loading there, but that's fine. Hover tween that tween property margin and margin. Okay. Margin overrides. Oh wait, how do I access the theme? It's theme overrides? Theme. Okay. Where do I access this? Water. Gotta water the plants. No. You're not allowed. You're not allowed. You are not allowed. Well, why are you Tifa? Why not? I'm Bifa, right? Oh, water. There's no... Thank you for watering me yet again, all right? I am actually the ocean now. Someone turned me into Tifa, that's just all it is. We're Tifa now. Tifa, we're Tifa Bifa. Tifa Bifa. We have character change redeem. And they have redeemed. Ah, here we go. This is the thing. You guys like magic ants? I got a little bit of magic to show you. Cocoa true form, that's right. Complicit. Let's do 10 over here. Okay, so now this should get rid of all you're an unexpected indent, okay? It's not changing the thingy. Yummy! No stinky bun redeem? I need to make a stinky bun redeem. I do need to hook it up. Water. All right, the water has been drunketh. We have drunketh the water. Let's see. I think it's like a few steps setup. Wait, let me see if I can do it real quick. Because that is a good bun. We do need some stinky bun. Let's see. Let's see. Can we set this up? Boom, 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 boom. You don't have to be full screen, please. You're killing me. Please. All right, let's take a look. We have stream effects. Terminal, no. These are like, I need to turn these off because these don't actually work. You gotta head out. See y'all next time. Enjoy the rest of your... All right, see you later. Water. Okay, we drank the water. We drank the water. We drank it. We drank. I promise we drank. Avatar. I think we're gonna swap out Spamton with the stinky bun. Or maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, this one is this one really, is this one active? Oh no. This one can't be active. Because I'm not running this anymore. Duplicate. I am stank. Uh-oh. Junior's up. Junior is up. What do I call the other ones? I am... Dang, I don't know. You can turn me into a stinky bun. Background color? Probably green. I guess. I don't know. Green feels right. How much do the other ones cost? I don't know how much my own redeems cost. I'll just make it the same thing. 149. 149. 149. No user input required. Create. I am stank. Okay, and then this one does... Hold on. Control numpad 4. Wait, it doesn't work yet. It don't work yet. It's gonna turn me into Tifa. Hold on. Control numpad 9. Okay, maybe that works? I don't know. No, it doesn't. Boom, 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 boom. This one is 9. Oh, there we go. Okay, I need to set up a shortcut. Okay. Control numpad 9. Okay. There we go. So now let's test it. All right. We'll test it. We're just Monica. Don't you worry about that. And then let me try redeeming it. I am stank. Beautiful. Beautiful. And there we are. We have a redeem for I am stank. That wasn't that hard. That wasn't that hard. We're officially stinky. The theme override is not working. Theme. It's not actually updating this, so that sucks, but water. God. Help me. Help me. Help me. Okay, something tells me that this just ain't the way to do it. Bloom, 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 bloom. Oh, maybe instead of doing margins, right? Maybe I could just do like, this one is button panel. Maybe I could just change the all right, let's do the scale. Holy shit. Holy shites. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Holy shitstorm. The hugs are coming through, and so is the water. We can't stop. Believe it. Why am I struggling so much with this? This has been fighting me the most. Like, I'm gonna set consistent margins. This is what we're gonna do. Wait, what? Oh, wait. The size of the margin container is bigger now. Right? Is this what's happening right now? What's happening? This is actually kind of what I want to happen, but in an unexpected way. Hold up. Boo-doo. Yes. Boom, bloom, bloom, bloom. I don't know why the size is like this, actually. I'm so confused. I'm so confused right now. Why is this margin containers? Why is she so big? Oh, is it because of this? Oops, it's this one, okay.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, chico, 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 fruit salad.
So we could probably do this, yeah? You're a Chico, Chico. Oh, I could just change the size. Water. God damn it. God damn it. I'm so wet right now. I'm actually really wet. Save me. I'm way too wet right now. Way too wet. Uh, 100. We'll do 100. And then we'll just do 0. Okay, size 100. Between that tween property. This one will be button panel, that size equals 0. Vector, button panel, size. Okay, and then this one will be, where do I have 0? Okay, we'll say vector 2 0. Can I do size.y? Can we just do that? 100? What was it? 100? Yes. I don't know if I could just do that. Oh, we can. Maybe, but it doesn't work. Property size.y does not exist in object. You don't exist. Button panel dot size minus vector 2, or what is it? This one is on hover exit. This is gonna increase the size again. Yes. Vector 2 increase the size plus vector 2 0 100. There we go. Boom. There we go. It's not actually shrinking the size though. $68. Let's just do 68. Vector 2 of, oops, wrong one. Vector 2 button panel dot size dot x and then 68. There we go. Does this fix it? Yes, it does. Kind of. Not really. No, it's broken. It worked the first time. Little hover to make it appear panel. Yeah, that kind of thing. Well, Junior is up now. Not sure what this is. Just using tangent interaction to make a panel. Yeah. Yeah, there's a little. It's a little thing. Appreciate the redeems though. Those are bits in the end. So thank you very much for those. Junior is up, so I'm probably gonna have to run now. Today's Sunday, not Monday, so we are we gotta go off and do stuff. Family time. Anyway, tomorrow we're gonna play Deltarune. I'm probably gonna finish this off stream. I'm gonna probably slap myself because I'm probably doing something real dumb here. So I'll get this, and then we'll make this menu work out, and then probably throw a little side thing. So this will be as not invasive as possible to do stage selection stuff. But yes, Deltarune tomorrow, because I've been holding it off, and it's been out for over half a week now, and we haven't touched it. So we got to touch it, all right? We got to touch the Deltarune. Touch the Deltarune. Okay. We're gonna give it a good time. Q is playing Persona 5. Sure. He's doing a stream anniversary, really? No. To be honest, it's probably my stream anniversary. I don't celebrate, so it's fine. But thank you everybody for joining in. Greatly appreciated. Let's go to Q. He's playing Persona 5. Give him a hello. Tell him to get steamed. You know how it is. Water. I'll do one last water before I go. All right. Thank you all. I'll see y'all later. Peace out. Have a good rest of your day or night wherever you are. And peace. And if I haven't mentioned before, Deltarune tomorrow. Deltarune tomorrow. Deltarune tomorrow. Peace.